If we can take away all of that background noise and digitize and automate it, it allows you then to really concentrate on the stuff that you're good at and grow the business.
Welcome to an MTD Technical Corner. Now today we're going to be talking about the increasing use of software to help streamline manufacturers' processes and how they run their business. Now I'm here with Peter, who's got a good number of years of experience in manufacturing, and you represent a company called QAD that handle all the peripheral ancillary parts of a manufacturer's business. Now, who are QAD, Peter, and could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Peter Jones. I'm a principal business consultant with QAD. I've been with the business about 11 years now, but my background was always as a manufacturer. I've done all sorts of things from an apprentice up to running multinational divisions of companies like IMI. So QAD have been around manufacturing for 45 years, started out in Santa Barbara in California, and we concentrate purely on manufacturing businesses. So we supply ERP or enterprise resource planning software and supply chain solutions purely to manufacturing businesses. We've got clients and partners from 10-user startup businesses through to multinational global automotive providers. And we really provide all of the background software required to run a business so that you guys as manufacturers can concentrate on doing what you do best, which is making things, and then we look after the back office, if you like.
Brilliant. And what are those, very well explained, thank you, Peter, and what are those back office tasks that people do, and what are there maybe some inefficiencies in the way that companies currently perform those back office tasks?
Yeah, so people like Anchor, who are in the background here, their problems were around planning and forecasting and that sort of thing, and that's a lot of the stuff that manufacturers aren't too good at. The other bits that they're not so savvy at sometimes is joining all the dots. They'll work on spreadsheets and then it's all silos of data and things. So things like the manufacturing guy will be doing his planning in his head or on a spreadsheet. The accounts people will have lists of customers who owe money. None of it's joined together and nobody knows exactly what's going on because there's no single source of the truth. QAD software puts all of that system and those processes together in the background.
And what are the benefits of getting that single source of truth and visibility on your shop floor?
So for manufacturers, it's all about being able to concentrate on what you're really good at. So running the business, providing the service, manufacturing your product. What we do is automate a lot of those background processes that need to be done by any business. We digitize the process so that every morning the MD gets a dashboard on his laptop that brings him the attention to the things that he needs to go out and solve. But not just the MD, the guy in the goods inwards, the guys in purchasing, the guys in accounts receivable, whatever, they get a dashboard that's pertinent to their role in the business. If we can take away all of that background noise and digitize and automate it, it allows you then to really concentrate on the stuff that you're good at and grow the business.
I love it. It sounds like you need to offer that support to customers, not just sell them a piece of software on day one and then leave them to it. How important is that support from QAD's side as well? How important is having a mutually beneficial relationship?
QAD doesn't want to be a software vendor. We really want to be the partner to the manufacturer. So we bring all of our experience along and we want our partners to grow and be successful so that we can be successful as well. So QAD writes the software, we own the software, we actually implement the software, we provide all of that background, and then we also support the hardware and the software as well. So you don't have to worry about any of that. That is mega important to QAD so that we can both be partners and grow together.
Brilliant. So software for manufacturers to help you handle all those back office tasks and de-risk your manufacturing process. It's all handled here by QAD.